So today, let me show you how to engage sport mode on the Nissan Note. Now this is a bit of an older model. This is a 2018 unit. And so to put this car in sport mode, you first need to turn on the engine, all right? So you turn on the engine like that and then engage drive. So this is a gear shifter. Just press down and engage D. Now once you engage D, as you can see on the dashboard, there's no sport mode icon or light, but just below this little button, the one you use to switch gears, there's a little hidden button there. Now you press that button once and that engages sport mode, and you can see there's now a sport mode light on the dashboard. Let me just bring it closer so you can see. You can see now it says sport mode right there. There you go. Okay, so now we are currently in sport mode. Now to remove sport mode, again, just press that little button once and that's gonna turn off sport mode on the Nissan Note. Thanks for watching and good luck.